Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your TikTok For You page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to Settings and Privacy and scroll down until you see Content Preferences. So you want to click on that. Then you should see near the bottom, Refresh Your For You feed. So you want to click on that. This will just let you know we'll show you popular videos to launch your new feed. The more you interact, the more personalised your feed will be, including ads. So if you're happy with all that, just select Continue and it'll just let you know this action cannot be undone. So all you need to do is click on Refresh. And you can obviously answer this question if you want to do that. Then select Submit. And that will reset your TikTok For You feed. Thanks for watching.